Welcome to Mimic channel again. I'm Aditya, partner at Mimic. With me is my senior partner, Mr. Anand. And today we are going to show you one of our fastest selling products, and that is Mimic LED Eagle Hand Lamp. We launched this product back in 2020 and have been selling it across the country, and of course to a variety of users and industries. So let us explore to know more about this product, to know who can use it and how one can use it. So I have a list of questions and a few important questions, and I've noted them down so that we don't miss them. So first important question is, what is the primary use of this product and why is it LED based?
Basically, it is called as maintenance lamp or a safety lamp, and this lamp is generally being used for maintenance. That is the primary use of it. So, what type of maintenance? See, maintenance requires in each type of factories, pharmaceutical factories, defense, air force, navy, everywhere the maintenance is needed. Wherever the machines are there, you need a maintenance. And when you do maintenance, generally the lights available on the shop floors are not sufficient to repair that machines. So when you repair the machine, like elevators, you go on the top of the elevator, the lights are not there. When you go inside the machine, there is no light. So all that time you need a lamp, and which is called as a maintenance lamp or a hand lamp. So this is the primary use of the lamp, maintenance lamp or safety lamp or
Great.
hand lamp.
Great.
And the second question you asked is why LED?
Why is it LED based?
Yeah, it is LED based because initially primary it was filament type of lamps from British days. It were those were filament lamps. But what happens when you do the maintenance? Lot of times it breaks or you drop down that particular hand lamp on the floor or some vibrations are there. In that case, this filaments goes off. So you need a lamp, maintenance lamp, which is break free or drop free, or which lives long for at least for 50,000 hours, whereas filament lamp doesn't have any guarantee, and in the LED lamp it has a guarantee of around 50,000 hours. That comes to around 5 years to 10 years. So you want reliability when there is a maintenance. So that is why the LEDs are being used, which are highly reliable and vibration proof.
Great. So the third question, was this product developed in collaboration or is it an indigenous product?
No, definitely was Mimic manufactures all the products are developed inside, designed inside the Mimic factory, and those are 100% indigenous. You can call it as a Swadeshi. So we are proud of it that these are a Swadeshi, and each, not only the complete lamp, but each and every part of that particular hand lamp except LED, which is not been manufactured in India, it is from Korea. All the products, all the parts, that is suppose this is a extrusion or the handle or the inside the this thing glass or this net,
Casing,
everything casing, everything is Indian and it's manufactured inside our factory, 100% Indian product.
Now, please tell us some of the quick, very important technical aspects of the product, along with if any USP for this. What's the USP of this product?
Yeah, USP is, first of all, this Eagle hand lamp is 36 watt. Whenever you do maintenance, you need maximum light, and the USP of these products is 36 watt. I think at least in hand lamps in India, we are the only people or only company manufacturing 36 watt. Then second USP is it doesn't have a glass. It is having a polycarbonate very thick 4 mm dome over here, just to retain it for years together. And this body, it is a extruded body. Again, it is a very strong rugged body, aluminum casting, and also it is having a BIS standard. Generally this standard is required for defense, generally is required for air force or government bodies, and this is being used in defense, in our defense secret projects. Right. So I cannot tell you the name, but it is used in defense. Thank you.
Great. So as we have gone through some of those applications, we can also see there is some additional provision, like some blue device here on the table. So can you just elaborate why have you?
This is generally a socket when it is being used on the borders in the vehicles, military vehicles. When the military vehicle fails, then you need this maintenance lamp. It is again an added advantage of this lamp, and it is 24 volt DC or 12 volt DC. So what happens? These sockets are generally fitted on the in the military vehicle, wherever the engine is there or where the maintenance is needed, and this lamp has got a socket on the other side, and this socket is pressed, and then the light comes wherever you need. Even for the big containers, these sockets are being fitted inside, and this lamp is used in the military or any automobile vehicle. So that is why this socket is being provided.
So this we can call as a universal hand lamp, which you can use it in almost every industry. We don't think is there any industry it leaves that you cannot use it. There's almost every industry you can use this product, right?
Yes, it is used in each and every industry. There is not a single industry where the hand lamp is not needed, and you need a reliable and great quality hand lamp which Mimic manufactures.
So this has a very bright glow, and it has got a very conspicuous white light, and if you can see, it can reach to every cranny and crevices of your machine or any place where light doesn't reach properly.
It is a diffused one also, so you cannot hurt to your eyes.
Great. Hope you like this product. And if you want to know more, please write to us mimic.sales@gmail.com. Till then, take care and see you in the next one. Thank you.